Yeah, it's a brand new day because the king was born today. Happy birthday to the great Ezeomogo, Super High Chief Sir Ambassador Joachim Ofojama, the great Ezeomogo Ezeomogo, Chairman Chief Executive, BigC Properties and Lands, BigC Food Land, PPI Land, Lagos State, Ezeomogo.
Oh yeah.
Sir.
Hi, baby. Yes. Cruise party. Kanu.
Hey. Ezeomogo. Worldwide.
Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Wake up. Wake up.
Happy birthday to you, Sir Ambassador Joachim Ofojama. Happy birthday. And as many more years to celebrate. The CEO, BigC Real Estate and Properties. The CEO, BigC Food Land and Bakery Lekki. PPI Land, the #1. Ezeomogo. Us on I will local delegates. Logi Bunya IG. I will about East Adromo. I now say long life and prosperity.
Welcome to Dubai. I hope you have fun. One white is good.
A very big happy birthday to you. Umogo nwanoti Igba. Asinkangwari na Chineke megologi ife niile ezigbo mmadụ. Happy birthday to you. May God Almighty bless you more and more. BigC. Onyama BigC Properties. Enjoy your day. Ezigbo mmadụ eborele ezigbo mmadụ. Ọ naghị ama afụcha ife dị mma asị gịnị ka eke ọ sịba.
Yes, so I go by the name Slow Diggy. Happy birthday, Ambassador Joachim Ofojama. Odugu, Pompina Abawan Agulu, Ezeomogo. 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 Okay, the Woke Walonga Basse. Happy birthday, Ogam. The MD, BigC Real Estate and Properties. The MD, BigC Everything. The MD, BigC Food Land. Okay, Walonga Basse. Happy birthday, boss. Enjoy your day, enjoy your life.
Hey, what up, ladies and gentlemen? What up, my people? What up, my fans all over the world? What up? What up? What up? Right now, I want to wish happy birthday to my one and only, His Excellency Ezeomogo, Ambassador Joe, one and only Ezeomogo. Nkanka mmeje gwamosu. Atolo onye lonkato dika okalese. It is too much. You do akataka.